Hey, what's up, guys? So, in this video, I'm just going to share with you how you can create a cold email sequence in less than 30 seconds using the new AI feature of Reply.io. So, just to give you a little bit of uh, uh, background here, Reply.io just changed their branding. They are now branding their uh, tool to supercharge sales team with AI. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to log into my reply.io account, and I'm just going to demonstrate how you can create a cold email sequence in less than 30 seconds, even if you don't have any experience in copywriting. So let's do this. So all you have to do is just to click on new sequence here, and then click on JSON AI SDR. And then basically in this section, you just have to fill out all the details that uh, JSON AI needs to create your whole sequence. So first, we're gonna have to enter our company URL. So as an example, I'm going to enter the URL of my business, of our agency, Lead Assassin. So I'm gonna put it right here. And then this is where we are going to provide the details of our business or our target audience and offer. So we help. Okay, so we're gonna put in CEO or business owners. Okay, in we have to state the niche or the industry uh, that we're targeting here. So as an example, I'm also going to use B2B software, B2B SaaS. Okay. We help business owners in B2B SaaS industry to, okay, to, to generate more leads and increase customer base. Okay. By how are we going to do it? So we have to state that here by implementing our, okay, so this is where we are going to put in our offer, uh, custom build, custom build, uh, lead generation and sales automation. Okay. All right, so this is our offer, and then this is where we are going to state the reason of our outreach. So I'm reaching out because uh, we've just launched this new offer where you only have to pay one time. So as soon as you put in all the details here, what you're gonna do is you're just gonna click on next, okay? And then after you click next, it's gonna take you to the next page wherein reply.io is gonna provide matching companies for your business case. So uh, they charge a separate fee for this. So in this demonstration, we're not gonna use this. So we're just gonna click on next, and then boom, there we go. So we already have our sequence here. So this is our sequence. So let's just check the finished product here. So hi, first name, how's your Sunday going? Okay, all right. So this is not bad. If you want to refine this message, you can tweak this based on your preference or however you want. But yeah, this is basically a ready to use sequence that you can just, basically uh, You can just basically launch this campaign by uploading leads and turning it on. So, yep, that's it for this video. I hope that you got value by learning how to create a sequence using the new reply.io feature, even if you are not a copywriter. Um, yeah. If you have any questions or if you have any comments, just uh, put in your feedback in the comment section and I'll be able to answer them. Cheers.